It looks like a science fiction film, but this is a promotional video for something very real, the Martin Jetpack. Able to reach heights of almost 250 metres and travel at over 70 kilometres per hour, this is a new age for the jetpack. And for its creator, it's the result of decades of work, sparked by his favourite childhood TV shows.
I discovered the Bell rocket belt, which is the famous one that wasn't lost in space. Great device, but it could only fly for 26 seconds and you needed to weigh 65 kilos or less to fly it, and I'm 100, so that wasn't going to work for me.
So began his hobby as a student, developing in a garage, years of mathematical calculations, prototypes and strategy.
So I've done a lot of reading on inventors, where they'd been correct and where they've been wrong, discovered most of them failed on the business side of things. So I got a job in the pharmaceutical industry and sales and marketing. By 1998, I had a prototype that was powerful enough to get a lightweight pilot off the ground. So my wife very generously volunteered to scrap into the jetpack 6 weeks after the birth of our second son, so that was very brave of her. And I had to run the engine quite highly stressed, and I'd calculated that we had about 4 minutes of engine run time before the engine would blow up, so I was more relieved than anything else.
This video attracted investors, his hobby finally a job. By 2008, the jetpack was launched to the public at the Oshkosh Air Show in the US. And it was a hit. Crowd control was needed, the video was seen all around the world, Neil Armstrong sent his congratulations, even the Pentagon came knocking. It's the jetpack's potential use as an emergency vehicle that's getting major interest.
We can get into small places very quickly. We are tactical, so we're in whilst a small radius, we can actually be used and taken on the back of a truck and then passed into the areas where there's a need for our capabilities.
A microlight license is needed to fly the pack, which can be fueled to stay airborne for 30 minutes. It can also be flown remotely.
In 5 to 10 years' time, we wouldn't be surprised if you see the jetpacks flying around on a daily basis. In some countries, even being used instead of transport.
With its listing, the company aims to raise around $25 million to let it begin commercial production. For now, the jetpacks come in at around $200,000, but the company says that in 3 years, it hopes to release a cheaper model for recreation. Mauricio Olmedo Perez, BBC News, Christchurch, New Zealand.